One of the most important things you have to do upon commissioning one of our communicating systems is to program it and put parameters in it that are going to match the application of the job that you have. So to do this, there's a few ways of going about it. From the home screen, the easiest way to access our parameter installer menu is to simply come to the top right of the thermostat to our Lennox logo, press and hold for about 5 seconds, and this will take you to our dealer service center. Within the dealer service center, you have several different options of menus that you can access, but more importantly, when you're installing and commissioning one of these systems, you want to choose Equipment Settings. From this menu, you can see a couple of different options. Along the left side of the screen, we have our communicating equipment types, things like thermostat, air conditioner, and furnace. And then on the right, depending on what you've selected, are the list of the parameters that we can adjust to more adequately fit that job. So for example, if we wanted to change the airflow on our furnace, we would select furnace on the left and then come over to the right and scroll through our menu options. We have things, for example, like low heating airflow, high heating airflow. We could choose a continuous indoor blower airflow, and so on and so forth. You could change these by simply adjusting the plus and minus buttons to your desired CFM value. And once you've done that, you've effectively changed airflow in this example for your furnace. Now that's one way to get into your installer menu. There's also one other way. We'll back out here and go to the home screen. And this time, rather than push the Lennox logo, we're going to come up to our 3-bar menu on the left. Press that, then we're going to go to Settings. From Settings, we're going to come to the left side here and scroll down to Advanced Settings. We're going to select Advanced, and then your two options here are View Support Service Control Center or Restart. So we're going to view Service Control Center. It's going to give us a warning that this should only be accessed by qualified equipment installers. We're going to tell it yes, okay, and we're back in that same menu. This is exactly where you would need to go on every single job to change the parameters for the equipment that you've installed.